Area hello, now they welcome for football and Pidgin. After match, talk how you see them. Chelsea 0 and Arsenal 1. And we get Oga Daffy, we be like saying, Ogbonge Arsenal fan make tell us about how you see the performance from inside Arsenal. Oga Daffy, now how you see Arsenal performance today?
To me, Arsenal performance today was, it was worthwhile because I expect after yesterday's match where I see Man City win, and also today now do that Arsenal must win the match to go back to the top of the table. So I'm satisfied with the performance of today. Everything they okay. It sweet me for body well.
Make I ask you now, Oga Daffy. Many people they talk say Arsenal when they start this season. Many people they talk say when Arsenal start this season, initial gragra they day. Say they not fit do anything. Say one season don't they go far, Arsenal go begin drop back. But with what you they see now, you believe say Arsenal they challenge for the Premier League title this season?
Yes. Arsenal definitely they're there for title contender this season. Even as at that, we still get some players where we say he still never would play, like Fabio Vieira, Smith Rowe. Those guys sit there, and January we go back to the transfer market to buy one or two based on this party issue to just to cover up. So I know say we are going for the title. If we don't win the title this season, at least first or second, I would say I see Arsenal getting this okay.
Oga Daffy, you don't say you believe say Arsenal they go for the Premier League title this season. And one other thing when many people they talk say Arsenal they play ball with small boys. Saying small leader they use, small children that they use to play ball. But now with what they see from this performance then this season, those small children they be like say they don't turn to young shark growth, they don't want to turn to bra for the matter. How you they see these Arsenal young stars performance this season?
Arsenal player this season, to me, they're young, but their experience, it is world class. If you look at the player, what really happened is the coach stamping ground. First of all, he stripped Aubameyang from the captain band. Recently, and then he really bring out the issue. Say the coach, as he do that thing to Aubameyang, he lets every other player know say if they can do this for the captain, they can do it to any other person. So Aubameyang was saying something like, Ateta not fit talk to big player and only small player. Yes, make I talk to small player. Small player won't listen. Small player won't give all their best for the pitch. Not because all big players say they don't make name. When you tell them to do this, they'll say that they won't do. Me, I prefer all these players because they are hungry. They are ready to deliver anytime, any day. And they are matured in the field. Not with their age, but the field, they're very mature. So that's how I see it.
So, Oga Daffy, now which player be your man of the match today for Arsenal?
Man of the match today, I'll still give it to Gabriel. Gabriel was fighting here and there, every corner. Gabriel Jesus to me, is the signing of the season. Not scoring goals, though, but his contribution, that's superb. He played defense, midfield, he come out, he do everything. The guy, to me, is a fighter, and that is what Arsenal needs. If you look at all our strikers right from time, like I said, Aubameyang, they need to come back and help us. They only stay for, how you going to give them the ball to score, it's not a problem. But you see this Gabriel, make it a come back, make it a pass. We like him like that. So that's how I see it.
All right, now you talk about the coach now. Before I let you go, now how you see this work when Mikel Arteta they do for Arsenal currently?
The work when Mikel Arteta do for Arsenal currently the work is now excellent. I don't know, but I look at like this. You know, say the guy learned from Pep Guardiola. At the same time, he still learned from Arsene Wenger. So the guy they use IQ of 2 now. They join as one. He merge them as one. So what do you expect? You expect the best. The best coach Arsene Wenger and another best coach again Pep Guardiola. So now, they combine the two. So what do you expect now to see Arsenal and Man City play? I want to see how the tactics will be. So Arteta is doing a very great job. Keep it up. That's it.
All right, now, Oga Daffy, thank you for your